Can you make him move? There he goes. Don't lose him, Connor. All right, you got your second one. Yahoo! Yahoo! I got that on the camera.
Exiting the river area after catching their 2 fish, I'd like to remind everyone that your experience here at the 22nd Annual Kids Fishing Derby is not yet over after you've caught your 2 fish limit. We have plenty of other great attractions for the family today. Be sure to check out the East Fork Fire Department truck. It's sitting up here on the front lawn. The kids can climb in it, take some pictures, meet Sparky. You can also take your kids down to the Safari Club International trailer. If you miss out on that, it's not a good deal because there's some animals in there either you or your children have probably never seen before and may never see again. Some exotic animals, be sure to go check those out. The Nevada Department of Wildlife has their beautiful trailer here with that great picture on the side. Drop by there, get yourself some helpful information, pamphlets. Don't forget, drop your kids by the Sheriff's Department over here. You can get them fingerprinted in the event that, hopefully nothing happens to them, but the event that it does, Sheriff's Department here will be able to help you out. We've also got a free bounce house. That's right, I said free. Take your kids up there and let them jump around the bounce house. But as we've been saying all day, make sure they eat after their trip to the bounce house. Let's not have them eat right before they go jumping around. But once more, I'd like to reiterate, once you caught your 2 fish, your experience here is not yet over. So stay in the park, buy some food, have some fun. And thank you for
Connor.
the 2nd Annual Kids Fishing Derby.
Okay, Papa, hold it over here so I can see. I'm videoing, okay? Oh, that one still got his hook, I know.
Thank you, and we'd like to get back to some of those sponsors names, those people that have helped bring this derby to you today. Chuck's Mobile Repair Service, Comstock, Cactus Jacks, Jackpot Casinos, Coca-Cola, Curtis Vincent Construction, the Douglas County Sheriff's Protective Association, Douglas Disposal, Eagle Valley Golf Course, Grand Prix Car Wash, Flip Flop, Thrift and Exchange. Just a few more people. Make sure you say thank you when you're in their business.
Get his hat.
Without their help, we couldn't bring this to you each year. And remember, when you get your fish, you get your 2 fish.
Yes!
Take it over to the fish cleaning station. On your way over, pick up a t-shirt or a hat.
I know, huge. Okay.
From cotton candy to hat. It's a t-shirt. You'll see.
Yeah, it is. Okay, let me stop the videos.